channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. So let's get started. So I'm going to use this Vegas Nail Lashes by Allure Grand Glamour. So before applying any lashes, just make sure you've got them on the right side of the eyes. So the short lashes will be on the inner corner of the eyes, and then the longest lashes will be on the outer corner of the eyes. And make sure to measure these lashes. My eyes are quite long, so most of the eyelashes fits me. Sometimes they're quite short, so I tend to use 2 lashes, but the Vegas Nail one fits me perfect. Make sure to measure your lashes according to your eyes. If it's too long, you need to cut it from the outer corner of the eyelashes, which is the longer lash side, if that makes sense. So I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to use duo eyelash glue. This is white and clear, and I'm going to use a tweezer to hold this. This is not the appropriate tweezer. I use this to plug my eyebrows, but there is a special tweezer. Tweezer for applying eyelashes, so make sure you get that one, which is a lot safer. I'm going to use the tweezer to hold this, and then I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to apply it on the eyelash band. And make sure to apply enough glues on both the ends, and I'm going to leave this for 10 seconds for the glue to get tacky. Now it's been about 10 seconds, so I'm going to apply this. When you're applying the lashes, make sure to apply it from the outer corner of the eyes. And now I'm just going to make sure that it sits properly on the outer corner. And then I'm going to stick the rest of the lashes. Make sure to stick them on your lash line. Do not stick them on your lid. It will not look nice if you did. Now I'm just pushing it down to my natural lashes so that it blends together, and I'm going to pinch them together so that it doesn't come off and it stays there the whole day. Now I know you guys can see the glue, but in few minutes it will dry clear. I'm going to do the other side of the eyes. So now that I've got them on, I'm going to wait a few more seconds for the eyelash glue to dry clear. So that's it, my eyelashes are on. As you guys can see, it wasn't that complicated. Yes, you're gonna have to do it a few more times and then you'll be okay with it, but don't give up, keep trying and you'll be able to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.